How to install and set up Tawk live chat in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the Tawk live chat plugin in WordPress. Tawk live chat plugin lets you monitor and chat with visitors on your WordPress site. This tutorial assumes that you have a registered account with Tawk. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New Menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Tawk live chat. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. Great! You have successfully installed the Tawk live chat plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Tawk live chat plugin is activated now. Now let's set up and configure the plugin. Click on the Settings option. You are on the Tawk plugin settings page. Click on the Visibility Options option. Keep all the settings as it is, and then click on Account Settings option. Type in your registered email address and password. Click on the Sign In button. You are now logged into your Tawk account. Click on the dashboard for further configuration of your Tawk account. Finally, click the Save Changes button. That's it! You have successfully activated and configured the Tawk live chat plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Tawk live chat plugin in WordPress.